Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to clear RAM from your iPhone 11. Now this method will apply to any iPhone with Face ID. So it will apply to iPhone 10, iPhone 10R, iPhone 10s, iPhone 10s Max and all the iPhone 11 series including the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. Now why do we need to remove the RAM or random access memory? Basically, when you're using a lot of applications, especially games or any high intensive applications, they will require a lot of memory, and that is why sometimes you feel that your iPhone is behaving very slow. Now it's always recommended to do this once in a while to have the best performance from your iPhones, because with time iPhone will start to get sluggish or a bit slow, and also it affects your battery life. So it's always recommended that once in a while you clear your RAM and just it will enhance the performance of your iPhone. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So since Apple has launched iPhone 10, they have removed the home button, and also with the introduction of iOS 13, the method has changed slightly. So as I said earlier in my video, I'll be doing it on iPhone 11, but it is applicable to any iPhone series which has the Face ID. So if you feel that your iPhone is behaving very slow and apps are opening slow, you feel they are quite laggy when doing multitasking or switching between the applications, or even opening the app drawer or downloading any application, all you need to do is just clear your cache. Maybe your cache is almost full, and that is why your iPhone is behaving very sluggish. So first thing you need to do is download the Assistive Touch. Go to Settings, go to Accessibility, go to Touch. You see the first option is Assistive Touch. You just turn it on. Now this is the Assistive Touch icon. You can go to the home screen right from here. So because the iPhones with Face ID does not have a home button, we will be using the Assistive Touch. Now to clear your cache is very simple and easy. There are a lot of applications also you can download from the App Store, but I think this is a very easy method. It will not take much time also. So all you need to do is press on the volume up button, then volume down, then you press and hold the power button. And once you see slide to power off, all you need to do is go to the Assistive Touch and keep holding the home button. Let's do it. So volume up, volume down, keep holding the power button, and once you see slide to power off, go to the Assistive Touch and keep holding the home button. After doing this, it will clear the RAM, and because it will clear the RAM, you will not be able to use your Face ID. You will have to put your passcode. So when you tap and hold, as you can see, it has cleared all the RAM. Now you need to put your passcode to enter, and when you go to the App Store, you will see it will refresh the App Store. Now this certifies that your cache or your RAM has been cleared. And also, just to make sure, you can download an application called Smart Memory Lite. So it will give you exact idea how much RAM you had before clearing the cache, how much RAM is available after clearing the RAM. Plus there are a lot of applications available in the App Store to clear the RAM, but I find this is very easy and it takes hardly any time to do it. So if you are on iOS 13 and using iPhone 10, 11 or any iPhone which has Face ID, this is the easiest method to clear your RAM and enjoy the speed of your iPhone. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like the video. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. If you want to watch a lot of iPhone videos, soon I'll be making more videos on iPhone 11 series. So kindly stay tuned and keep watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.